we need to review several things. We are discussing XRP. Numerous charts appear to be optimistic, and many TA analysts are discussing XRP's potential for an upward rebound. We are all aware of its imminence. As we move from Q1 into the first part of Q2, we are still on course to potentially reach that $4 to $5 XRP body. The charts will be examined. We will examine the dominance chart of XRP. We will examine new collaborations from Ripple. And without further ado, take a seat back and unwind as we discuss the route to $5 and how we get there. Let's get started with a Bitcoin that is in the neighborhood of 97,603. It has increased by almost 1% over the last day. 2,648 is Ethereum's price. At 0.39%, it is down, with USDC staying at 99 cents and XRP, USDT is emerging as a dollar peg. At $2.42 an hour, it's attempting to show some life. Link in the chain at 18,071 cents. It is up 4.5% at the moment. From here, where do we go? Well, people, it's really easy. We're climbing. The market is well consolidating. Ever since we had that weekend, it has been consolidating. Anyhow, dib black swan. We're consolidating now and want to identify it. A good, tight range is being reached by everything. Thus, I anticipate a pleasant upward bounce in the market. Hopefully may formally proclaim that this is the bounce that pushes Bitcoin over $180,000. Let's jump straight to the chart here. The bull run is on the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization, nothing exceptional, at $3.18 trillion. The XRP chart is shown here. Our strong green band is visible. That's passing through here. We want to remain above that. What is the location of that price? $1.96 to $1.85. That $1.96 level is undoubtedly familiar to you. Can you see an all-time high for 2020? Following that insane sell-off move, we have had a lovely consolidation zone for the last 5 days, starting on Wednesday the 5th. The following step is quite easy. I believe that XRP's dominance is beginning to take hold here. On XRP, we have already achieved a 5.5% dominance. Therefore, I think that XRP's dominance and price will gradually increase, returning to the $3.42 range. At least this month, I want to return to my mid-threes and focus on the $4 to $5 range in March and April. One day, 1 month is visible. We have a lot of optimism. We will have to assist a Bitcoin here. What is Bitcoin doing, then? This green band remains above Bitcoin. As long as we are over this small green line in the center, that is, we're doing fine. We're optimistic, you become pessimistic. Bitcoin does not have a lot of bearish potential here. We're looking at 89,000 to 82,000 after all. It won't get there, in my opinion. If we take a closer look, we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating around the $97,000 mark right now. When the bubble reaches 108, I believe Bitcoin will have its breakout and first target. It will quickly reach 120. For a long time, we have been discussing 120,000. We have, and it will happen soon. Squeaky mouse, XRP just recovered from the support in the following days. We ought to launch ourselves back into a minor consolidation. So, here you are. Isn't this a line of support? In the $2.40 range, roughly. He anticipates an upside breakout here shortly. In contrast, the targets reach the mid-$3 range, which is precisely what I'm examining here. This is the desired outcome. We're hoping for a breakout. What do we need? Of course. People, we need Bitcoin. The thing is gulping my coffee. I don't mind. For CryptoPunk to take off, Bitcoin is required. His chart was published by Crypto Insight. According to him, the 3-day chart of XRP supremacy appears to be ready to take over. There is a hidden positive divergence on the RSI for this stock. He claims that what comes next could be that after the dominance completes a wick-off accumulation, XRP appears ready to take control. I'll demonstrate what he's referring to. As you can see, the accumulation of wick-off comes directly down here, followed by the spring, after which they will proceed to shoot upward. Wick-off accumulation is what he's looking at, then. We begin to rise. The supremacy is this. Dominance chart for XRP look. We would be looking at XRP 100% in the double digits if it saw a 31% domination, which occurred in 2017. Naturally, everything relies on the precise amount of money entering the market, but even if we see 5 to 7 trillion, I do think XRP will dominate in the double digits. We will witness a double-digit XRP, which, in my opinion, is quite thrilling. When we look at the XRP dominance chart, I would want to see this since I have been here for a very long time. Here's what we'll examine. We require 2 of these closures above yellow. This is happening every day once more. We would use that as a signal for this creature to tear out. Over the purple line, which is the 21 EMA, we require the green line, which is the 8 EMA, which further suggests that this thing is prepared to tear out. Although we haven't arrived yet, this graphic shows that everything is going well. We're almost there, so let's change the indicators here, shall we? We continue to dominate by more than 3.5%. After pushing back up into the rear to that 5.5 range, we ought to be able to climb from there. That's what I'm focusing on, and how can we combine all of this? Now that Ripple has expanded to Portugal, you can join us as a partner and help its users make cross-border payments. According to the statement, the cooperation intends to use its payment system to speed up and lower the cost of cross-border transfers between Portugal and Brazil. According to the main collaboration, it appears that XRP will be utilized in this situation. Portugal offers Marx, the first ever Ripple's payment service, enhancing the financial corridor connecting Portugal and Brazil and fortifying its position in Europe. As of right now, Brazil has the first bank to use XRP for travel access. We are aware that Ripple had a private meeting with Brazil's central bankers and high-ranking government officials. The managing director of Ripple's UK in Europe, Cassie Krodak, emphasized the importance of this expansion. According to her, our collaboration marks a critical turning point in Ripple's European growth. Portugal's ecology is flourishing. We are happy to offer our payment option here, and since they are discussing blockchain technology and leverage, it is clear that they will use XRP. Here below, it discusses significant collaborations with TravelX Bank, the first bank to employ XRP, and claims that Ripple's payments handle more than 70 billion transactions every day and cover more than 90% of the daily foreign currency markets. So, just what do we wish to say? More collaborations such as these. Ripple is tweeting about the agreement and referencing it due to increased liquidity and usage of the XRP ledger. How can XRP reach the $4 to $5 mark in the next 2 to 3 months? Easy. Together, we can achieve legal victories and regulatory clarification. That will spark speculation about market sentiment. The market must turn around, and bullish tendencies must begin to emerge immediately. That small shakeout caused many individuals to lose faith in the market. The main force behind this will be the acceptance and utility that we recently witnessed. The price will increase as adoption increases, since greater adoption means more utility. We're all searching for that, and we are all waiting for that. Remember not to forget, ISO 20022 will shortly be operational. Remember that European cryptocurrency exchanges are delisting USDT Tether. They will have to be replaced. Die as a result of Leroy's laws and regulations and Mika's guidelines. They will use more than just USDC. 2 distinct stable coins will be required. We just discussed XRP's market cap dominance, but RLUSD might take over in this situation. We must get this up here. The monthly and daily are looking excellent, after all. The positive prime score indicates that we are in a bullish mood. We have consistently observed a minimum of 6% if XRP may recover. But we'll all be sitting pretty with XRP bags if we can break through into double-digit territory and reach anywhere between 5 and 7 trillion.